Okay, so I'm going to show you how to multiply matrices. So, for example, a cubed. A is -1, -2, 1, and 0. So you multiply a times 3, so itself 3 times. And all these are 2 by 2 matrices, so 2 rows and 2 columns. So the products of 2 of those will be 2 by 2 still. So what I'm going to do, multiply these two, get that, and then multiply it by the other one. So what you do to multiply matrices is you take the first, or you take this number times that number, this number times that number, then this number times that number, this number times that number times this number. Then you go down, 1 times -1, 0 times 1, then 1 times -2, then 0 times 0. So basically, you go horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Then you do that, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. So that's all you do. So let's do the first one. So -1 times -1 is 1. Then -2 times 1 is 2. So 1 minus 2 is -1. Then -1 times -2 is 2, and -2 times 0 is 0. So that's 2. Okay? So then 1 times -1, -1. Then 0 times 1 is 0, so that's -1. Then you do 1 times -2, which is -2, 0 times 0 is 0, so -2. Okay, so now you're going to multiply these two. So let me write that out. Okay, and then multiply this one. The answer is going to be 2 by 2 again. Alright, so -1 times 1 is -1. 2 times 1 is 2. So that equals 1. Then, -1 times -2 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0, so 2. -1 times 1, -1. -2 times 1 is -2, so that's -3. Then, -1 times -2 is 2. Then -2 times 0 is 0, so 2. And that is your answer. And I hope this helped.